Signing up as a host on iParkRV is easy and free. First, go to the host at the top menu, then scroll down to become a host now and click on it. The create an account box will pop up. Click sign up. Then fill out the information needed. This will create your profile page. Once you have created your free account, click Become Host on the left side of the page. Next, go to Stripe. Stripe is a trusted online payment processor used by many large companies. Input your cell phone and email. You will then be sent a verification code via text, which you will be asked to input before moving on. Input your name and then under Business Website, put iParkRV.com. You will then be asked to put in your bank account information. This is necessary for funds received from RVers to go into your account through credit card processing. Once you are redirected onto the iParkRV website, click Hosting Location on the left menu. Then click Add New Hosting Location. Then you will input the information regarding the host location, including the name of your spot, number of spots you have at this location, maximum length of RV, if tow vehicles are allowed, where to park those tow vehicles, and other tow vehicle details. Suitability, what is allowed or not allowed, and amenities. You don't have to have any amenities, but click the ones you offered. Enter a general description of the property and your specific house rules. Your preference. This is where you input how many nights you will allow someone to stay, how many days is the shortest notice to stay, and how many days is the maximum notice to stay. Now go ahead and upload photos of the property, which will show the RVer a little sneak peek of their stay. Enter the property address and it will bring up a map of the location. Now go ahead and input your blockout dates if there are any. Remember, you can always modify this later. As well as your price per night. Keep in mind fees will be added to your price and show a slightly higher price on your listing. However, you will receive the full price you entered. Now enter any direction detail to the property. Remember, this will only be seen after booking has been placed. And remember, you can always edit this under your profile page by clicking Host Location and then clicking the pencil to the right side of your listing.